Welcome back to another video. In this tutorial I will be teaching you how you can display different images on TFT LCD. I have this circuit diagram and I'm using this TFT LCD ST7735R, and that's the circuit diagram that you need to follow it. And also this is the Proteus circuit diagram, and I draw this in Proteus. As you can see in the Proteus software, this diagram, and you can also download these files. In the description I have these files available, and you need to download these three libraries for the Arduino code, and the Arduino code is also available in this folder right here. And let me show you everything. That this is the code, and these are the two libraries are installed. You need SPI library and SD library as well. These are the four libraries which are important, and this is the code that is written. You do not need to do anything with this code, just download these files and everything is available in it, and also along with this Proteus file. So to simulate how to display the different images on this LCD, you need to open this Arduino, click on it and right click, and then press click on this edit properties, and you will open up you will see this window, and click on this icon. You can click on this icon or you can paste the link here. Where you can find this link, you need to copy this link, which is elf file between inverted commas user, and then in the end which is elf. If you cannot find this, you need to go to the file preference and turn on these two boxes, upload and compilation, and then click OK. And after that you need to compile this code by pressing Ctrl R, or you can just click on this check button or tick button, and it will start compiling this code. When it done compiling the code, you will get you need to find that link in the description box of this Arduino IDE software. As you can see, the compiling is done, and that file is right here. And you need to copy this link by selecting this link or this path between these inverted commas, and press Ctrl C after selecting it. Like if you select this file like this, this link, then press Ctrl C and then go back to the Proteus. Let me open this file again, this window again, pressing edit properties, and then press Ctrl V. You can see the elf file is here. Click OK. And next thing that you need to do is very important. Go to the properties of this SD card module, edit properties, and here you need to find this card image file, and which is also available in that folder. And this is the one, FAT16SD.IMA. and as you can see, I am in the same folder, but I could not see it. And then just type here asterisk and then press enter. Now you will see all the files that are in that folder, and find this file FAT16.SDIMA, open it and click OK, and that's it. That's the thing that you need to do, and that file contains all the images that will play on this LCD. And to circulate between different images, you need to press this button every time to display different images. So let's start the simulation by pressing on this bottom right corner play button. As you can see, the simulation has started, and this virtual terminal is also open, which is connected to the receive file. As you can see, first it will display the white color, then it will display blue color, and then it will display image. It will load all the BMP file, and it's displaying the image. These are the beautiful flowers, And remember that each image has a different resolution, which is 128 by 160. That's the resolution of each image, and now it's still stay there. When you press this button and hold it and let go, it will change the image. As you can see here, it's loading different images, image, and also showing here abstract, and it will show the abstract here. If you want to display a different image, then press again, and it will show different image, and it will also show the progress here that it's loading next image. Now it's done displaying an image. Now press this button again, and it will display different image again. Now press the button again, it will display another image. When you press this button again, it will display a different image. You can go through different images if you want, and you can make a different images folder and convert that folder into IMA file, and you can load it into SD card and then display those images. Now it's showing another video, another image. Thank you for watching, and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching and subscribe my channel.